welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with y'all a polish set that I got as a Christmas gift. I've seen this brand before. I've also showed you guys this brand in one of my walk down the polish aisle videos with me, but it's by My Beauty Spot. I also had some of these. I think I gave some away to a couple of y'all in my giveaway, and they were like summer colors. So yeah, but I got this vivid metallic set by My Beauty Spot. It has 6 shimmer nail colors. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and use 1 or 2 of them and see how the formula is on them. So yeah, no one really buys me many polishes anymore because everyone in my family thinks I have too many, but my mom got me this, so thanks, Mom, for the polish, the only polish I got for Christmas. Let me try to get this lid off. And so far, I have no clue how to open this because it's not just twisting open. I don't see any tape holding it together, so that's weird. Okay. Got this up here. I'm just gonna... Come on. Oh my god. What the heck? I think it's glued. It's like, look at that. It's not going through there. I'm gonna have to ruin it. I wanted to keep it pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Yeah, that's glued. That's strange. They should make it where you can reuse this if you want to put them back in there at least. But ripping it apart. Wow, look at the glue on top of there. Even this was glued to it. Why? Oh my god. Okay. Let's just, you know what? I can't even get them out. Oh my gosh, look. They're glued down in there. I'm gonna have to lift my camera up some. Okay, this is crazy. Okay, so that's how this turned out, trying to open it. Holy moly, look at the glue. Even this was glued. The tops were glued. The bottom is glued. Jeez. Okay, so the caps come off, which are good if you don't want to hold the cap. Sometimes it's easier when they're made like this to polish this way. So I'm not mad about that, but I don't like all the glue on these. Oh my god. Okay, let's look at the colors. So it looks like we have 2 blues. We have like a, what do you call it, midnight blue, and maybe like a royal blue. This very pretty green. Like a dark purple with a lot of glue on the bottom and the top. This is really pretty. This is like a fuchsia, like a pinkish purple almost, or dark pink. I don't know, but that's pretty. And then this one, it looks like a midnight black with a little hint of gray or silver in it. So I do want to try a couple. I always like to wear more than one color on my nails. So let me see what matches. All this stuff is sticking to me. don't like that. I don't want black. Maybe try these two. I'm gonna start with this one. And if I want to add this color in, I will. I might not. I don't know. Let's just see how this goes. All right, so I have my nail brush for cleanup. I always need that. This I'm scared of. This is the one I got in my eye, so I'm gonna take the lid off of this because there's only a drop left in here, so I need to open another. I have my Seche Vite for my quick dry. It's really pretty. Oh, look at the brush. That piece sticking out. It's actually really thick. And it kind of, I don't know, it's drying kind of fast. I'm not too crazy about the formula so far, but this might make a good stamping polish. Oh no. See how like it's kind of thick? There's some lint in it too. I do them all the same color, y'all, and I think because the color is really bright and pretty, and I just want to go ahead and do them all this color. I broke my thumbnail so bad it still hurts, and I did it almost a week ago, and it's still really tender. And this part like broke off. I had to file it down just to kind of even it out, so it's a little uneven. If you can see, it broke really bad right here, and this, it bent back all the way to here, so I had like this line going across my thumbnail, and when I scratch or something it bends back. So I probably should have used a hardener on there. I didn't think about it till just now though. Oh shoot, I almost messed that up. But see how it's kind of drying, like, I don't know if it's showing in the camera. It reminds me of how a matte polish dries. That's what it looks like. It's not really turning matte, but it's just looking like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put the top coat on now because usually polishes like this take a long time to dry. So I want to go ahead and let it get started drying. I just finished the next hand. I just did one coat on that hand. I'm not too crazy about the formula. It does dry super quick. Like once I get to the top of the nail, it's turning like tacky, and it's just really thick and kind of stringy. So I don't like that, but I do think it's probably going to make a good stamping polish. So that is something that I will test it out on. And also a good toenail polish. I think it'll be great for that. But it's not that great. I mean, it was $5, I believe, for the whole set. Did it say on the container? I'm not sure, but I know the last one that I had and the couple that I've showed before in my videos, they were $5. A matter of fact, this, she might have got this set from Five Below. I'm not sure, but they usually have them out on Christmas time at Family Dollar or Dollar General. So either or. They're usually $5 in all of those stores. So yeah, this is just a really thick formula, and it dries very quick. And it's not drying to where it's dry completely, because this is the kind that, like, you can probably let it dry 10 minutes and you hit it up against something that's going to make a dent in it, you know. So I'm hoping this Seche Vite helps to get it as dry as possible. I was going to do a little daughter care over this, but I don't think I am, because I'm probably going to take this off in the next day or two. And I think the color is really pretty, but I hate to not add a color to it because I always do that, but it is real pretty colors, really pretty. So top coat on both of them. It's really bright, nice, bright, beautiful color. Just not too crazy about the formula. Look at that, so pretty. There's a nice little shimmer to it. So I was gonna try like either this color or this color on top of it for some dots, but I think I'm gonna just leave it like it is because I don't want to mess it up and make it too hard to dry. So I'm gonna grab my handy dandy fan that I love, that I got from the beauty supply. Might need to charge it. There we go. Get them nice and dry, and that's it. So yeah, I just wanted to share that little nail polish set that I got with you guys. It's called My Beauty Spot. So the next thing I'll be doing with this, if I remember, I'll try not to forget, is test them out with stamping. So make sure you keep an eye out for that video. All right, you guys, what did I end up doing was this China Glaze that I got in that Walk With Me Down the Polish Album CVS video, Ice and Bubbles. I haven't used it yet, and I really wanted to see what it looked like. So I went over one of them with it, and it looks so pretty. I almost went over all of them, but then I thought it'd be too much. But then I'm like, when is glitter too much? I probably could get away with going ahead and doing all of them, but it looks so pretty. I love it. I'm definitely gonna have to use this Ice and Bubbles with another color. It's gorgeous. I just did one of the nails as an accent just to kind of see how it looked, and I love it. I don't know, y'all. I might do the rest of them. I might do them all, because you can see, like, there's, like, in this middle finger, like, a little bit of a missing spot, if you know what I mean. You can see where there's not a coverage of nail polish on, I can't point to it, right in this area here. So this one had it too, but covered up with that glitter. It's a nice coverage, this glitter too. It's almost like a full coverage, and I like that. But yeah, it's so pretty. Just make sure you have your post notifications turned on. Click that bell. And if you're new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.